Listen, y'all, in 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you how fixing your credit could literally change your life, right? Because some of y'all make about $1,500 every 2 weeks, right? Bi-weekly, right? That's your check. So you get 26 checks a year, which equates to 39K net pay, right? So if you're looking at the net pay, you divide it by 365 days in a year, you're making about $107 a day, right? That's what you're making net, right? So if you add your bills, let's say your bills are 3K a month, right? Divided by 30 days equals $100 a day, right? So you make 107 day, but you got to pay out $100, which means you're left with $7 a day to do what you want to do in life. How the hell can y'all do that, right? But just by having good credit, right? Say you have a structured profile, right? Real strong, right? We can go get you $150,000, let's just say, right? From the $150,000, we can go buy a business, invest into a business that is already generating cash, right? Right. And say we start making about 20K a month off that 150K, right? So now you're making times 12 months, you're doing 240K, right? 240K divided by 365 days, same thing. You're looking at about $658 a day, right? A day. So you just went from having $7 a day left over, right? By just fixing your credit. So now you can still keep your job, right? Because a lot of y'all like to keep your job. So you can keep your job so that you can take your job can handle your bills. And now you're over here doing $658 that you can do whatever you want with. And now you're at 240,000 a year. Is this making sense to anybody? Because it's this simple, literally.